Hello guys, your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you guys a small simple step-by-step method that you can use to make 100 plus dollars per day online. So let's get right into the method. Okay guys, so in this method we are going to be using a method called launch jacking, which means that we are going to be promoting products that are not yet for sale, that have not yet been put on the marketplace for sale. So with this method, what we are going to do is that we are going to go to a website called munchi.com. We're going to go to munchi.com and we're going to look for upcoming products that are soon going to be launched, that products that have not yet been launched, and we're going to make a review video on YouTube, and we are going to be promoting this product. So munchi.com is a website where it lists products that are going to be released, that have not yet been released and are going to be released in a few days or in a few months. So for example, you are going to see the list of products. For example, this product is going to launch tomorrow, July 26th, and these are products these are upcoming launches of products that have not yet been launched. So you're going to make review videos and put them on YouTube to gain free traffic with this method. So let me show you guys how this works. So this is how it works. So once the product is launched, the marketers are going to be promoting this product. So they're going to send an email. To their list of buyers and talking about this new product that has come out. And they're going to send from this email, the buyers are going to click on the link and they're going to go to the affiliate sales page. On their affiliate, they're going to go to the affiliate link to the sales page of the product that they're promoting. And what happens is that many of these people are not going to buy the first time that they see this product, so they are going to search for the review of this product on YouTube. And as they're searching for this review, they're going to see a video, and they will, as they search for these reviews on YouTube, they're going to see a video and they're going to buy from you. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do this and a lot of examples of people that are using this method. So first thing you have to do is that you're going to go to munchi.com and search for upcoming products that are still going to be released soon. So for example, these are different products. For example, these are products that are going to be released very soon. So this one is tomorrow, 26 July, 28 July. So, and there are different networks. Many of them are on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, some are on ClickBank. So you can promote this on multiple networks. So what you have to do is that you are going to look for a product that still have like 3 days to 1 month that is still to come out. So, and you are going to make a review video on YouTube about the product. So for example, let's use like a product. For example, let's use this one, commission funnels. You're just going to click on commission funnels and see what it's talking about. So once you go to commission funnels, the next thing you have to do is just click on the JV page. When you click on the JV page, it's going to take you to a page where
what's going on?
It's going to take you to a page where you can register and get your affiliate link to promote this product. So with this particular offer is sold on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So what you have to do from this page is that you can create a free account at JVZoo to promote this product, or you can create a free account at Warrior Plus. So once you are here, for example, if you are choosing Warrior Plus, you want to promote this product through Warrior Plus, you just click on the affiliate link. Just click on this button to get your affiliate link. So it's going to take you to Warrior Plus, and all you have to do is click on request approval and write a small note here and write a small note in this box and send to the product vendor how you are going to be promoting the product, and you'll be approved to promote this product. So you're just going to send a message like you want to make a review video on this product and you are going to be promoting it through YouTube. to make sales for this vendor. Once you type a simple message, you're just going to click on request offer, and in a few hours you're going to be approved to promote this product. Once you're approved to promote this product, then you are going to be able to get your affiliate link that you can use to promote this product. So the next thing you have to do is you have to create a review about this product. So you don't even need to have the product. All you have to do is you can go to the sales page and read what is on the sales page, and you can talk about that in your review video. For example, when you click on the product, you can see the sales page. So just click on the sales page. And just click on no thanks, I want to proceed. It's going to take you to the sales page, and the sales page will tell you step by step. For example, this product is, the sales page is not live, so you can do this with any other product. For example, let's choose another product. Okay, let me see. Okay guys, the sales page is live. So on the JV page you can also see a preview of the sales page. So, and on other products the sales page is already given at Munch Eye. So when you go to the JV page, it's going to provide you everything that you need. It's going to provide you with email swipes that you can use, but with this method we are not going to be using email swipe, so that's not needed. So the JV page is going to show everything that you have to know about the product, the upsells in the product, and the amount of money you can make in the funnel. So it's going to show you there's a contest about this product. So the more sales you make, you can win a contest and make more money using this method. So you're just going to go to the sales page.
You often hear that
all you have to do is you have to watch the video. You can watch the video on the sales page and read the text on the sales page, so that you should know what to say in the review video, so that you know step by step what this product is talking about, and you can talk about that in your review of this product. So that's it guys. Once you create a review video, so if you're afraid or if you don't know how to create a review video, you just have to go to YouTube. I'm going to show you guys examples of people that are using this method. For example, if you go to this YouTube channel, Jonah Armstrong, you're going to see he's using the same method, the exact method. So for example, this commission funnel is a product that is still to be launched. So this product is going to be launched in a few days, and he has already created a review video about this product. So once this product is launched and a lot of people are searching for this on YouTube, so he's going to be ranking for this product, and a lot of people are going to watch this video, and they're going to buy through him, and he's going to make a lot of sales using this method. So you can also make a video as well and put it on YouTube, and you are going to be ranking for that keyword, for that review, when the product is launched and people are searching for it. So the next thing you have to do is, once you create a review video, you also have to include bonuses. You have to include bonuses so that to entice the buyers to buy from you and instead of someone else. So with this method you can use a website called idplr.com. So with this website it has PLR products that you can give away for free. So products that you don't need to create, just the products that you can use as bonuses. Once you create these videos, you can use these products as bonuses to entice the people to buy from you. So for example, once you are at IDPR, just search on this bar. For example, just search for a product, just search for something like internet marketing. And it's going to come out with a lot of products that you can use as bonuses to entice the buyers, to entice people that are searching for reviews of this product to buy from you. So you are going to give them a lot of bonuses, and they're going to buy through your link. So as this page is loading, let me show you guys let me show you guys how people are using this method. How, for example, Jono Armstrong, how he's using this method to make a lot of sales. Okay, for example, you can see these are products that have been recently launched. So you can see this video has been uploaded 4 hours ago. This other one has been uploaded 19 hours ago, and you guys can see that these are only review videos. So he's making only review videos of products that are yet to be launched. So for example, you can see this video alone has 5.4 thousand views in 3 days. So once marketers send traffic to these products, most of these buyers are going to go to YouTube and they're going to search for these products. They're going to search for review, and for example, in this video he's giving also a bonus. Once you buy, if you buy from his link, you're going to get a lot of bonuses. So for example, in this video,
what's going on, everyone? This is Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my commission funnels review. Actually, you did get it right.
So if you watch this video, guys, you're going to see that he's giving a free bonus to people that are going to purchase this product. So for example, if you click on this link, it's going to show you his bonuses that he's going to give if you purchase this affiliate product through him. So for example, these are bonuses that he gives to people that buy through his affiliate link. So we are going to go to idpr.com. Let me refresh this. You're going to go to idplr.com and you're going to be able to get a lot of PLR products that you don't need to create, that you can give away for free as bonuses to people that are searching for these products. For example, you can see he gives out a ton of bonuses to people that are going to buy this product through him, and a lot of people are going to buy through him to get these bonuses. Okay guys, and these are other examples. Let me show you guys other examples of people that are using this method. This is another affiliate, this is another YouTuber called Affiliate Tube, and you can see, guys, all that he does is he's using this launch jacking method. So he's making review videos of products that are yet to be launched. So you can see, guys, all that he does is do review videos, and a lot of people are using this method and making a lot of money and sales with this. So all you have to do is go to Munch Eye, search for products that are yet to be added to the marketplace, that are yet to come out, and you're going to make a review video about this product as well. And when people are searching for these products on YouTube, they're going to see a review as well, and you're going to add them bonuses. You're going to add them bonuses so that they can buy from you, your affiliate link. So you can see, guys, all you have to do, you have to model. Just go to YouTube and, for example, watch some of these videos and model what they do in the videos, and you can do the same. So this is another example. This is another example of YouTubers that are using the same method. All they have to do is make review video about the product and give bonuses. So that is it, guys. Take action on this method, and if you take action on this method, you're going to get results. Okay guys, this, for example, this IDPR. So what you have to do is just search for something like internet marketing, and you're going to see a ton of products that you can use as bonuses in your videos and give it to your viewers, and they're going to buy through you. So these are high quality products that are on IDPR that you can give away as bonuses. So these are great products that have already been created, and you don't have to create these products on your own. So these are a ton of products that you can use as bonuses, guys. So you can give like 5 bonuses. These are good products that have already been created. For example, you can see what is inside this product. For example, the mindset, affiliate marketing, and all that. So you're going to show them these features of the product, of the bonuses that you're going to get, and they're going to buy from your product. So that is it, guys. All you have to do is take action on this method. And you can make $100 plus per day. As you can see, these videos are getting a ton of views. For example, this video already have 160 views, and the product has not yet been launched yet. So once the product has been launched and a lot of people are searching for this, a lot of people are searching for a review of this product.
Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel.
A ton of people are looking for this product. This guy is going to make a lot of sales using this method. For example, these are products that have already been launched, and for example, this product has been recently launched about 2 days ago, and you can see this guy has almost 5,000 views.
Hey, what's going on, everyone?
You guys can see he has almost 5,000 views. And take action on this method, guys, and you're going to see results, and you can make $100 plus per day with this method. So that's it, guys. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe, and also you can check the link in the description below to discover my highly recommended method to make money online. So I'll see you guys in the next video.